Welcome, Trailblazers, to today's tutorial, where we'll be exploring the dynamic world of Salesforce Flows, a robust tool designed to streamline and automate processes within your Salesforce environment. Let's kick things off with a brief overview of Salesforce Flows and why they're so important. Flows empower you to automate intricate business processes, guiding users through screens, creating and updating records, and seamlessly interacting with your Salesforce data. Efficiency is the name of the game when it comes to reducing manual efforts, and that's where Salesforce Flows shine. They offer a visually intuitive interface to design and execute automated processes. Ensure the success of your Salesforce Flows by adhering to a comprehensive best practice by striving for simplicity, modularity, clarity, and tracking. Keep your flows simple to facilitate easy maintenance and troubleshooting. Embrace a modular design, breaking down extensive flows into manageable components for enhanced reusability and a smoother automation journey. Implement clear naming conventions, prioritize comprehensive documentation, and leverage version control to maintain transparency and facilitate effective tracking of your flow's evolution. Enrich the success of your Salesforce flow by embracing a holistic planning strategy. Before delving into Flow Builder, take the time to visualize and comprehend the entire process. Utilize flowcharts or process maps to identify key elements, define inputs and outputs, and map out user journeys. Recognize that planning Salesforce flows is an iterative process. Utilize visual tools and specialized software for diagramming to facilitate collaboration, fostering a more efficient and streamlined development process within the Salesforce environment. This comprehensive approach sets the foundation for a well-designed and effective automation, ensuring success in your Salesforce flow. Before diving into practical aspects, let's delve into some prevalent use cases for Salesforce flows. Whether it involves updating records, sending emails, or guiding users through a specific process, flows prove versatile in handling a variety of scenarios. Consider scenarios like lead qualification, where flows can efficiently navigate the process. Then, when it comes to updating records or sending emails, flows offer a seamless solution for automating these routine tasks. Moreover, in the realm of customer or employee onboarding, flows can be instrumental in creating a smooth and consistent experience. Additionally, for processes like event registration, leveraging flows ensures a streamlined and automated approach. The beauty of Salesforce flows lies in their adaptability. They open up endless possibilities for customization and automation. So, as we embark on this journey, keep in mind the diverse applications and the flexibility flows bring to the table. Let's jump into the Flow Builder. You can find it within the Setup menu under Process Automation and Flows. The Flow Builder provides an intuitive visual interface for designing your flows. To create a new flow, click on New Flow and select the type of flow you want. You'll see options like screen flow, record trigger flow, and more. Each type serves a different purpose, and we'll explore them in depth in future tutorials. Understanding the different types of flows is crucial. Screen flows guide users through a series of screens, offering a user-friendly experience. On the other hand, record trigger flows operate discreetly in the background, often without users' direct awareness. It is essential to choose the type that best fits your specific use case and aligns seamlessly with your workflow. For this scenario, we will select Screen Flow and Create. Flow Builder interface consists of the canvas where you design your flow and can be configured in either auto layout or free form mode. In auto layout, elements automatically arrange themselves for a structured and organized design, while freeform allows for more manual control over the placement and arrangement of elements, providing flexibility for a customized flow design experience. The toolbox on the left may include interaction elements, logic elements, data elements, and capabilities to create new resources to be used within the flow. Elements are connected using connectors. These connectors define the flow of your process, indicating the order in which elements are executed. A clean and well-connected flow ensures your automation runs smoothly. Let's begin by adding the first screen element and assigning a label value. In the screen properties, we will call this screen Screen 1 Test. Once we tab out of this label component, it will automatically populate the API name. Following that, we'll incorporate a text component. We will find a text component in the menu and drag it until it turns green and let go. For this text component, we will call the label name. Next, we will add a phone number component, which is phone. Again, we will click and drag until the green box appears and release. For the phone component API name, we will call it number and change the label to number. Everything else we will keep as default. We will click done on this component. We will now connect the start to the Screen 1 test. Next, we will drag a second screen element. For this screen, we will label it Screen 2 Test. In here, we will locate the display text component. Call it thank you. And in the rich content editor, we will make the statement, thank you for submitting your name and phone number. We will click done. We will now connect Screen 1 test to Screen 2 test. Our flow is nearly complete. Once your flow is designed, we will need to save it and give it a flow label. We will call this SP Test Flow 1 and provide a quick description. We will click Save. Testing is a crucial step. Learn how to use the debug tool to test your flow and identify any issues. Debugging ensures your automation behaves as expected. We will dive deeper into debugging and testing in a future tutorial. To test out our current flow, we will click Debug. We will leave these options as default and click Run. For name, I will put Sky Planner. In the number, and then click Next. As you can see, our thank you screen appears. And if you look in the debug details, everything has been committed. We will dive into more debug details in a future tutorial. For now, we will click Finish. Lastly, always explore additional learning resources and documentation. Salesforce provides rich documentation, and the Trailhead platform offers interactive modules to deepen your understanding. And that wraps up our introduction to Salesforce Flows. Stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials where we'll dive into creating specific types of flows and addressing advanced topics. Thank you guys for watching, and let's keep blazing the trails ahead.